She me little brown thing, me little brown thing, yeah. She me little brown thing, me little brown thing, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be doing the highly requested lip combo video. Y'all want to know, Jasmine, what lip are you wearing? Slim, what lip is that? Like, what lip combo are you rocking? Well, today I will give you all the secrets to my lip combos. Okay? Alright, so if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. Y'all, I watched this back. Why y'all didn't tell me I had that lipstick on my teeth? My all-time favorite lip combo is my Tarte Creamy Matte Lip Paint in Choker with any brown liner. Right now I have on the Molasses Liner by Sephora, but you can use any brown liner, and this is like the perfect nude for brown skin women. It's not even nude, it's just like the perfect neutral, I guess. And it glides on so smooth. It's like pepperminty. And then it kind of has a satin finish, but kind of matte, but it's satin because it don't feel matte. Yes, honey. Like this is my go-to lip. If I ever wear a lip, or if I have like a full beat face and I need a lip, this is the lip that I do, okay? This is the lip. I love this lip. This is my all-time favorite lip combo. This is by far the most highly requested lip combo y'all want to know about. This is it. This is the one that I wear in most of my videos, and it's like my go-to nude. Like, I got brown lips, like my top lip is brown, so pinks don't really do good on me. All of these are similar, like, alternatives, both high-end and drugstore lips that you can rock if you like them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up if you like this lip combo favorites video. Let me know if y'all want to see me try out different lip colors on my channel or on my skin tone, obviously. And I would love to do that. I have a couple red lipsticks that I really like, or liquid lips that I really like, and I think it'd be cool to do a video with them tested and swatched on my skin tone. So y'all let me know in the comment section below if that's something you guys would like to see, y'all. So I just realized that I had lipstick on my teeth the whole outro, like, that I was talking. So if you're an OG squad member, you know I used to film all the time and have lipstick on my teeth. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I did notice it. It was a little too late. I done changed clothes and all, like I'm a little house robe on, all cozy. But I love you guys. At the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to fall. Bye guys.
First met her at Cabana. She came down from Atlanta. Never knew she was a dancer. So we touched Carabana. Touch her wrist back on me. The way she wanna waste him yelling OMG. Body is a 10, attitude on fleek. Felt the chemistry when her eyes